Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide your YouTube homepage using a Google Chrome extension. This is perfect if you find yourself getting distracted by recommended videos and want a cleaner, more focused browsing experience. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. This is Chrome's main settings menu where you can access all sorts of features and customization options. In the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option that says Extensions. When you hover over it, a side menu will expand, giving you more choices related to managing your Chrome extensions. From this expanded menu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you to Chrome's official extension marketplace, where you can browse and install thousands of different extensions to enhance your browsing experience. Once the Chrome Web Store opens, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. Click on this search bar and type in Newsfeed Eradicator. This extension is specifically designed to remove distracting feeds from various websites, including YouTube, helping you stay focused on what matters. After typing the name, press Enter or click the search icon, and you'll see the extension appear in the search results. Go ahead and click on it to open the extensions page. On the extensions page, you'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click this button to begin the installation process. A small pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Click Add Extension to proceed. Chrome will now download and install the extension, which should only take a few seconds. After the installation completes, a new tab will automatically open showing you the Newsfeed Eradicator settings page. This is where you can customize which websites you want the extension to work on. Scroll down until you find YouTube in the list of supported websites. You'll see a toggle button next to it. Click this toggle to turn it on, which activates the homepage hiding feature specifically for YouTube. A permission prompt will appear asking you to allow the extension to work on YouTube. Click Allow to grant the necessary permissions. Now it's time to test if everything is working correctly. Open a new tab and navigate to youtube.com. When the page loads, instead of seeing your usual homepage filled with recommended videos, you'll notice that the feed has been completely hidden. This creates a much cleaner interface that helps eliminate distractions and keeps you focused on what you actually came to watch. And that's it! You've successfully hidden your YouTube homepage using the Newsfeed Eradicator extension. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.